What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy here from the Liver Gear. Basically Keychain USB. You can get in your Lightning to USB-C or micro USB to USB-C, but you do not get a native USB-C. Here's the I bought it for 15 bucks. This is USB A to micro B with USB-C adapter. So let me take out. I wish they make a native USB-C. Okay, here can you see? Again, no one is paying me for this review. Here we go. How to take out? Okay, like this already taken out. Okay, let me just see my power bank. Yeah, my power bank is here. Okay, let me turn on my power bank. Okay, and let's see can we charge or not my phone. Let me put here, and then okay. Okay, it's charging. Can you see? It's charging. Yeah, so it's working. I can put the phone like this. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, but what about if I wanna charge? Also, you get a pin SIM ejector tool, but even I charge my micro USB phone. Okay, you just take out the adapter. You put like this. So yeah, it's working. I mean, overall, I like it's a very rugged. It's not going to break easily. That thing is for sure. There's a SIM ejector tool, but I don't know how to remove it. Yeah, there's a SIM ejector tool, but how to remove it? Is there any manual? Yeah, I got some manual. Come on. Okay. Pocket clip, keychain. Okay. Oh, we removed this image actor from the back. Here we go. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. How to put now? Where I have to put my? I'm gonna put here, right? Okay. Here we go. And no, it's not going inside. Okay, it's inside now. Oh yeah, that's how. Subscribe and buy.